In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bullets in Microsoft Word using a quick and simple method. If your bullet points are misaligned, not indenting properly, changing size unexpectedly, or refusing to format the way you want, don't worry. These issues are common, and the good news is they're very easy to correct once you know where to look. To begin, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where your bullet problem is happening. First, click anywhere inside the bulleted list that needs fixing. This allows Word to recognize that you're working with that specific list. If your bullets are not lining up correctly or the spacing looks uneven, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Paragraph section, click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Paragraph Settings window. Inside this window, focus on the Indentation section. Make sure the left indentation and special indentation settings are correct. For most standard bullet lists, the special drop-down should be set to hanging. This ensures that the bullet stays aligned while the text wraps neatly underneath it. After adjusting the settings, click OK to apply the changes. If the bullet size looks different from your text, highlight the entire list and check the font size in the Home tab. Sometimes bullets appear larger or smaller because the font formatting has been changed. Set the font size to match your text to keep everything consistent. Another quick fix is to use the Increase Indent or Decrease Indent buttons in the Paragraph section of the Home tab. If your bullets are too far to the right or left, simply click these buttons until the alignment looks correct. If your bullets are behaving inconsistently, you can reset the formatting entirely. Highlight the list, then click the Clear All Formatting button in the Home tab. After that, reapply the bullet style by clicking the bullets icon again. This often resolves stubborn formatting issues instantly. For more control, click the small drop-down arrow next to the bullets icon and select Define New Bullet. From there, you can customize the bullet symbol, adjust alignment, and ensure everything appears exactly how you want it. Once you've made your adjustments, review your list to confirm the spacing, alignment, and formatting look clean and consistent. And that's how you quickly fix bullet issues in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.